Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the Mandarin Duck spirit animal, renowned for sacred partnerships, love, and devotion. Part 1. Discovering the Mandarin Duck Spirit. The Mandarin Duck is a symbol of profound significance, embodying essential qualities of love, devotion, and sacred partnerships. With its vibrant and captivating plumage, the Mandarin Duck becomes a bearer of spiritual medicine, guiding us on a transformative journey of enhancing relationships, fostering lasting connections, and understanding the significance of emotional bonds and mutual support. At the core of the Mandarin Duck's symbolism lies the essence of love. As a cherished symbol of love and romance in many cultures, the Mandarin Duck radiates an aura of affection and tenderness. The spiritual medicine of the Mandarin Duck encourages us to nurture love in our lives, to express our feelings openly, and to cherish the connections we hold dear. Beyond love, the Mandarin Duck epitomizes devotion. In its lifelong partnerships, the Mandarin Duck showcases the power of commitment and faithfulness. The spiritual energy of the Mandarin Duck inspires us to be devoted to our relationships, to stand by our partners through thick and thin, and to invest time and effort in nurturing the bonds we hold sacred. The Mandarin Duck also represents sacred partnerships. With its symbol of harmonious unions, the Mandarin Duck becomes a beacon of sacred love and understanding. The spiritual medicine of the Mandarin Duck urges us to treat our relationships as sacred, to honor the uniqueness of each partnership, and to communicate with empathy and compassion. Part 2. Qualities of the Mandarin Duck Spirit. The Mandarin Duck is a captivating and enchanting bird known for its stunning plumage, graceful movements, and vibrant colors. Its monogamous nature and strong pair-bonding behavior symbolize love and fidelity in various cultures. The Mandarin Duck exhibits exceptional parenting skills, with both the male and female actively caring for their offspring, emphasizing the importance of family bonds. Highly alert to their surroundings, these ducks showcase survival instincts and adaptability to diverse habitats. Overall, the Mandarin Duck embodies qualities of beauty, grace, loyalty, and family values, making it a cherished and revered symbol in different cultures and a captivating presence in the natural world. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the Mandarin Duck Spirit. The Mandarin Duck holds cultural and mythological significance in various parts of the world, particularly in Asian cultures. In China, the Mandarin Duck is a symbol of love, fidelity, and marital bliss. According to Chinese folklore, Mandarin ducks form lifelong pairs, and their unwavering commitment to each other has made them a representation of an ideal marriage and harmonious relationships. As a result, images of Mandarin ducks are often used in traditional Chinese art, such as paintings and embroidery, to depict love and happiness in marriage. In Japan, the Mandarin duck is also seen as a symbol of love and is associated with the idea of soulmates. The Japanese believe that if a couple sees a pair of Mandarin ducks together, it brings good luck and signifies a strong and loving relationship. Beyond Asia, the Mandarin duck has also appeared in Native American folklore. Some tribes view the Mandarin duck as a symbol of renewal and transformation, associating it with the spirit of nature and the changing seasons. Due to its beauty and symbolic meaning, the Mandarin duck has become a popular subject in various myths, stories, and cultural expressions, connecting people to themes of love, fidelity, and the beauty of nature. Its presence in these cultural and mythological narratives has solidified its place as a cherished and revered bird in different parts of the world. Part 4. A Mandarin Duck in My Dreams. Dreaming of a Mandarin duck can carry several symbolic meanings and interpretations. In various cultures, the Mandarin duck is associated with love, fidelity, and harmonious relationships, reflecting its real-life behavior of forming strong pair bonds and staying with the same mate for life. Thus, seeing a Mandarin duck in a dream might represent the desire for a loving and committed partnership, or a reminder to cherish and nurture existing relationships. It can also symbolize beauty, grace and elegance, and be reflection of a desire to appreciate and embrace the beauty in oneself and others, or a call to seek balance and harmony in life. In addition, Mandarin ducks are often considered auspicious and bringers of good luck in some cultures. Thus, a dream featuring these ducks could signify positive changes or fortunate events on the horizon. As with all dream interpretations, the meaning of a Mandarin duck in a dream may vary depending on personal experiences, cultural beliefs, and individual emotions associated with the symbolism of the bird. Paying attention to one's own feelings and experiences in the dream can provide additional insight into the specific message or significance of the Mandarin duck in the dreamer's subconscious mind. Part 5. Habitat, Behaviors, and Ecological Importance of the Mandarin Duck. Habitat. The Mandarin duck is native to East Asia and can be found in a variety of habitats, including dense forests, wetlands, and shallow lakes. They are commonly found in temperate regions of China, Japan, Korea, and parts of Russia. Mandarin ducks prefer areas with slow-moving or still water, such as ponds, lakes, and small rivers, where they can easily dive for food and find shelter. Their ideal habitat includes plenty of vegetation and submerged aquatic plants, providing both food sources and protection. During the breeding season, Mandarin ducks may also inhabit wooded areas close to water bodies, where they build their nests in tree cavities or among dense vegetation. The beauty of their natural habitat complements their striking plumage, making them a mesmerizing sight in the serene landscapes they call home. Behaviors: monogamous. Pair bonding. One of the most notable behaviors of Mandarin ducks is their strong pair bonding. They form monogamous relationships and typically stay with the same mate for life. During courtship, the male showcases his vibrant plumage and performs elaborate displays to attract the female. Display of graceful movements. Mandarin ducks are known for their graceful and elegant movements, both on land and in the water. They glide effortlessly across ponds and lakes, exhibiting a sense of poise and charm that captivates observers. Active foraging. Mandarin ducks are skilled foragers and primarily feed on aquatic plants, seeds, insects, and small fish. They use their bills to sift through the water and mud to find their preferred food items. Cooperative parenting. Both the male and female Mandarin ducks actively participate in caring for their offspring. After the female lays her eggs, the male remains by her side, and together they protect and incubate the eggs. Once the ducklings hatch, both parents play a role in ensuring their safety and guiding them to find food. Social nature. Mandarin ducks are generally social birds and often form small groups during the non-breeding season. These groups can consist of pairs or small flocks, fostering a sense of companionship and community among the ducks. Ecological importance. The Mandarin duck holds ecological importance in its native habitats, particularly in wetland ecosystems. As an omnivorous species, it plays a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance by regulating insect and small fish populations through its active foraging behavior. Additionally, Mandarin ducks disperse seeds of various aquatic plants, contributing to the plant diversity and growth in their habitats. Their preference for slow-moving or still water bodies leads them to areas abundant in submerged aquatic vegetation, which in turn benefits other aquatic species that rely on these habitats for shelter and food. Part 6. How the Mandarin duck contributes to scientific research. Renowned for their striking appearance, the Mandarin ducks have served as model organisms in research, exploring how coloration and ornamentation influence mate choice and the evolutionary pressures that drive such exquisite displays. Beyond evolutionary biology, Mandarin ducks also provide insights into wetland ecology, migratory patterns, and habitat preference, given their selective nesting and habitat behaviors. Furthermore, as they adapt to various environments across their range, from East Asia to introduced populations in Europe, these ducks help researchers understand the impacts of habitat changes, fragmentation, and the potential for species to acclimate to new ecological niches. Part 7. Guided visualization, to connect with the Mandarin Duck spirit. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing yourself to relax and let go of any tension. Imagine yourself standing near the edge of a peaceful and serene pond surrounded by lush greenery. The air is filled with the soft sounds of rustling leaves and gentle ripples on the water's surface. As you observe the tranquil scene, a pair of Mandarin ducks gracefully glides onto the water, their vibrant plumage shimmering in the sunlight. Feel a sense of awe and admiration for these beautiful creatures as they swim together, forming a harmonious and loving bond. Approach the water's edge with a sense of curiosity and respect for the Mandarin duck's presence. Gently, they invite you to join them in the water, and as you step in, you feel a connection with their essence. Feel the grace and elegance of their movements as you swim alongside them, embracing the feeling of harmony and peace that surrounds you. As you immerse yourself in the world of the Mandarin ducks, let their symbolism of love, fidelity, and beauty infuse your being. Feel a deep sense of interconnectedness with nature and the world around you. With each moment spent in the presence of these enchanting birds, you become attuned to their spirit and their role in the natural world. Allow yourself to absorb their wisdom and guidance, understanding the importance of love, commitment, and balance in your own life. When you are ready, bid farewell to the Mandarin ducks, expressing gratitude for the experience and the wisdom they have shared with you. Slowly return to the present moment, carrying with you the spirit of the Mandarin duck and the lessons it has gifted you. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.